In this video, we're gonna be comparing the Lewitt LCT for 40 Pure and the Neumann TLM 102 to help you decide if you should consider one of these mics for your home studio. Starting with the Lewitt, this microphone retails for under $300, and in the box, you'll get the microphone, a leather pouch to store the microphone, a windscreen, a custom shock mount, and a magnetic pop filter. When it comes to specs, this is a condenser microphone, so it requires phantom power from an audio interface to work. It has a cardioid polar pattern, meaning it's most sensitive from the front and it's going to reject sound coming from the back. It has a self noise of only 7 dBA, which is pretty low. And when looking at its frequency response graph, it does have quite a bit of a treble boost, giving this microphone a bright sound. Moving on to the Neumann TLM 102, this microphone retails for around $700, and in the box, you'll get the microphone and a mic mount. Even though it doesn't come included with any extra accessories, Neumann does make their own custom shock mount for this specific mic model. Just know, if you do go that route, it will cost you over $150, so just do a little bit of research because there are third-party ones that you can find on Amazon. When it comes to specs, this is a condenser microphone. It has a cardioid polar pattern, a self noise of 12 dBA, and when looking at its frequency response graph, it has a flat response in the lows and mids, a dip around 6,000 Hz, and a slight treble boost. So now let's do some audio tests so you can hear both microphones in action. You're listening to the Lewitt LCT for 40 Pure, and this is what a $300 mic sounds like. Now you're listening to the Neumann TLM 102, and this is what a $700 mic sounds like. Is it getting better, or do you feel the same? Will it make it easier on you now? You got someone to blame. Is it getting better, or do you feel the same? Will it make it easier on you now? You got someone to blame. So what are my overall thoughts and who would I recommend each mic to? Before I share them with you, let me know in the comment section which microphone did you prefer and why. Also, if you enjoy videos like this one, then don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you're brand new to recording, maybe you're in the process of building your first home studio, you also like bright sounding microphones, and your main focus is music production, then I recommend the Lewitt LCT for 40 Pure. When it comes to pros, this microphone kit comes included with some great accessories, so you do get a lot of value for the money. And speaking of accessories, I'm a huge fan of the custom shock mount and magnetic pop filter because, as you can see, they don't take up a lot of space in the camera shot, making it perfect for content creators. In addition, because of its signature bright sound, this mic excels at recording instruments like the acoustic guitar because it makes it sound very detailed without having to do anything in post-production. Also, it can be a great choice for capturing singing vocals if you're looking for a microphone that can cut through a mix. But when it comes to cons, I found that the magnetic pop filter doesn't do a good job with plosive rejection. For example, Peter Piper pitched the podcast. So if you want to get best results, you either have to position the mic at a 45-degree angle so the plosives don't hit the mic directly, or you will need to spend extra money on a standard pop filter. Also, Also, because it's an overly bright sounding microphone, it's not going to complement bright voices with a lot of sibilance. In fact, it's only going to enhance that even more, which can be fatiguing to listen to for long periods of time. For that reason, I don't recommend it for long-form spoken word applications like podcasting or audiobook narration. On the other hand, if you've been recording for a while on a $200 to $300 microphone and you're ready to upgrade the sound quality in your studio, also you have an acoustically treated room and you're looking for a very smooth sounding microphone to mainly capture vocal applications, then I recommend the Neumann TLM 102. When it comes to pros, this mic definitely has a mid-range forward Neumann type of sound, and because of that dip around 6,000 Hz, it really helps to tame a lot of sibilance even in harsh voices, making this microphone perfect for any vocal application from singing to professional voiceover and even content creation. But when it comes to cons, this mic is not cheap. $700 is an investment, and unfortunately the mic mount, which is its only included accessory, does a really poor job at shock rejection, meaning if somebody walks in your room or you bump into your desk, the mic will 100% pick up on all of those vibrations. So if you want pro results, you will also need to buy Neumann's custom shock mount or a third-party accessory, which will be an additional expense. If you want to buy one of these microphones, the links are down in the description below. And if you also want to learn how to mix vocals recorded on these microphone models, then go ahead and tap the screen.